Now let's do rotate different parts of the body. First of all, we'll start with the neck rotation. For this, your neck, waist, back should be in one line. Your shoulders should be relaxed. Now lock your chin and rotate the neck from right, back, left, down. Now anti-clockwise, left, back, right and down. You can do this for 5 to 6 times. Now let's do shoulder rotation. For this, take the shoulder up and move it from back and anti-clockwise. From back to front, you can do this for 5 to 10 times. Now let's do wrist rotation. For that, both hands in front and thumb should be inward. Rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can do this for 5 to 10 times. Now slowly relax. Now waist rotation. Put both hands on your waist. Go from right side to left side. And left side to right side. For 5 to 10 times you can do this exercise. Now knee rotation. Place both hands on the knee. Take the knee right side from the back to the left side and forward. In the same way, do reverse. Left side, go back, right side and forward. Slowly relax. Now let's do ankle rotation. Bring the right foot forward and give movement to the ankle joint of the right foot, clockwise and anti-clockwise. We'll do the same with the left foot. You can do this for 5 to 10 times each rotation. With joint movement, your body becomes flexible and you will not face any joint pain problem.